Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put a video inside of a logo on Capcut PC. So select your logo, and mine was just like a PNG photo. Go to library and add in a black stock video under that and add in your video. I'm also just going to zoom out a little bit on the timeline. Then I'm going to select the logo and adjust it till the end of the video, and I'm also going to select this logo and add it, this background, and add it on top of the video but behind the logo, and I'm just going to again adjust it as well. Select these two, right click, and then select create compound clip, go to blend mode and choose the screen or the brighten effect. Totally up to you. It doesn't really show much difference. And as you can see, there is a video like inside of this part of the logo, but if you chose like a different logo where it's only like the play kind of logo, it's not going to show the actually choose the darkened one if you want it to look like this. Actually, I selected the incorrect blend mode, so choose the darkened one instead to create this I guess video inside logo type of thing. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!